Rejection redirects you. It doesn't define you. These affirmations will help you move forward from rejection. Stay until the end for our motivational quote, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. I am resilient. I can recover quickly. I heal from rejection. People accept me fully. Every day I feel better. Today I move forward. I am unbreakable. I bounce back. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.